Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to find all the duplicate elements by giving any array loop. So we will solve this problem without using any built-in function. Instead we will use nested loop, which will help you to understand the logic behind finding duplicate values. So first of all, let's state the problem statement. So the problem is that find all duplicate elements in the following array. So in this following array we have to find the duplicate elements. So after finding the duplicate elements, our output will be as 2 or 5, because 2 is duplicated and 5 is also duplicated. So the solution to the problem is that I will explain it step by step. Now let's understand how this problem works. So the step 1 is creating array. So $array name is equal to, so the elements in the array 2, 5, 3, 2, 8, 5, 9. Here we create an array containing 7 elements, so its index will be 6. Notice that the number 2 and 5 appears twice, once and it has twice. So the second step is counting the element. So we will start the counter. So the counter will be created as $n. The count function, it will count all the elements in the array as it is single or as it is duplicated. So this count function return the total number of elements in the array. As in the example, the $n, the total number in the array is 7. So this is step 2. So the step 3 is creating a boolean variables. We have to create a boolean variables. So this variable keeps track of whether we find any duplicate elements. Initially it is set to false. If we find any duplicate, we change it to true. So the duplicate element is $found is equal to false. As I said, if we find any duplicate, we change it to true. So initially it is false. So the step 4 is printing the heading. हमने क्या करना है? Printing the heading output basically. So we notice that we know that the printing function is used as echo duplicate elements. So the output is as, our desired output is as. So our output will be as the elements 2 or 5 as in the arrow we have seen. So in this problem we will use the skip repeated values, the function that we will keep the iteration. If the $ already printed, then print continue and else false. Or further we will find duplicates and then print the duplicates, or for example, so the time complexity, we will see the time complexity. Since we are using nested loops use कर रहे हैं, so our time complexity will be n square. So the conclusion is that we learned how to find duplicate elements in PHP, how nested loop works. This is how we see how nested loop works, why we use the $ already printed variable for printing the duplicate elements, or how the continuous statement avoid printing the same element. So we will learn all the topics. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful you to understand the logic behind finding the duplicates elements in PHP language. So thank you so much for watching this video.